Motherfuckers! Super low Barney Bros! Kick it! Business is booming, phone ringing off the hook. Hello, Miss Hot Chick. She found my business card on the floor of a mosh pit. Her last roofer's deck went soft. Quick, send her a deck pick. Feast your eyes on my 3/4 inch 5 bomb. Not your bitch ass oriented strand board chump. Ladies love a roofer. I'm swimming in business. Cold hard cash. I'm drowning in money and pussy. Help somebody toss me a lifesaver. Ladies love a roofer cause roofers do it better. Do it better. I start with a rip. Take it all off, baby. Gotta check the valley for wet spots. Then she started shaking her asphalt all over my lap joint while I was inspecting her flash hit. But what I saw was no aluminum, cause there were two of them. Huge fake titties. Ladies love a roofer. I'm swimming in business. Cold hard cash. I'm drowning in money and pussy. Help somebody toss me a lifesaver. Ladies love a roofer cause roofers do it better. Do it better. Roofers do it better. Do it better. Do it better. Roofers do it better. Roofers do it better. Cause talk about a steep pitch. 50 degrees on this. But I gotta check out those hips. That's where I'm gonna lay down the butt edge. Bitches are crazy for roofers. She's pole dancing on the downspout, so I'm whipping it out. My cock, God! I bust a fat white bead all over her fascia. Now accepting Bitcoin, bitch. Ladies love a roofer. I'm swimming in business. Cold hard cash. I'm drowning in money and pussy. Help somebody toss me a lifesaver. Ladies love a roofer cause roofers do it better. Roofers do it better. Roofers do it better. Do it better. Do it better. Roofers do it better. Roofers do it better. Cause damn, talk about a steep pitch. 50 degrees on this bitch. But I gotta check out those hips. That's where I'm gonna lay down the butt edge. Bitches are crazy for roofers. She's pole dancing on the downspout, so I whip it out. I bust a fat white bead all over her fascia. Now accepting Bitcoin, bitch. Now accepting Bitcoin, bitch. Do it better. Do it better. Roofers do it better. Do it better. Roofers do it better. Roofers do it better. Cause ladies love a roofer. Swimming in business. Cold hard cash. I'm drowning in money and pussy. Help somebody toss me a lifesaver. Ladies love a roofer cause